Well, WREG investigators have found out the Shelby County District Attorney's Office has added another law enforcement officer to its Giglio list of compromised witnesses.
Our chief investigator, Jessica Gertler, poured through the record, shedding light on the accusations that ultimately questioned the deputy's trust.
Let's start with some background. The Shelby County District Attorney's Office keeps a list of law enforcement officers who've been found to be untruthful or their credibility has been called into question. Through the Tennessee Records Act, we found out a new name was recently added to that list, and we've just found out why.
It was July 26. The Shelby County Sheriff's Office opened an internal case against one of their own. Sergeant Matthew Nelson's decisions during a vehicle pursuit 2 days prior had been called into question. According to the disciplinary action form, Nelson says he observed Millington PD in pursuit of a stolen vehicle, so he followed behind, but said he did not get involved in the pursuit. Nelson says Millington PD later disregarded the pursuit, but he kept following, stating the vehicle then sideswiped and rammed into his car. Eventually, he gave up chase when the car entered Memphis city limits. But internal investigators say the story didn't add up when they saw the other officers in-car video. They say Nelson violated department policies, like being unauthorized to even pursue the car, since the need for apprehension did not outweigh the level of danger created by this pursuit. Adding, since he's a supervisor, he's held to a higher standard and is expected to lead by example. They say he also violated the truthfulness policy because he said he didn't pursue the vehicle when he did, that he used excessive speed, went through a red light, entered wrong lanes of traffic, all while telling dispatch he wasn't in pursuit. Nelson received a 30-day suspension and demotion. The sheriff's office says in September, Chief Deputy Anthony Buckner notified the district attorney that Nelson should be on its Giglio list of compromised witnesses based on the law's requirement. The DA's office confirming Nelson was added soon after. DA Steve Mulroy explaining in the past.
The Giglio list is a list of law enforcement personnel that we keep who, if we're going to use them as witnesses, we feel a need to disclose to defense counsel that they had had some sort of brush with untruthfulness in the past. Either they were disciplined for being untruthful, or a court has found that they've been untruthful.
According to Nelson's employment file, he violated department policy one other time, involving, again, a vehicle pursuit. In 2021, deputies reportedly tried to pull over a car, but received direct order from a lieutenant to disregard. An order repeated on dispatch, but internal investigators say Nelson didn't listen. They say video footage shows Nelson maneuvering his patrol car and forcing several civilian motorists to the shoulder of the roadway. He was told to stop 3 times, following the car to Tillman and Walnut Grove, where he lost sight. He was suspended 3 days without pay.
The DA's office tells us their list is fluid, meaning they can take off names or add names as more information becomes available. We did find out that Nelson is appealing his demotion and suspension. Investigating for your news leader, Jessica Gertler, WREG News Channel 3.
Now, others on the Shelby County District Attorney's list include the officers charged in connection to Tyree Nichols' death.